In the last video, we have seen what is the context-free grammar, how to evaluate one string by using the sentential form. Now, we will try to derive one string from any grammar, but with the help of a parse tree method. What is the parse tree method? A set of derivations applied to generate a word can be represented using a tree. Such a tree is known as a parse tree. So, parse tree representation gives us the better understanding of which things. First of all, it will give us the ideas of the recursion, and second is grouping of symbols. So these are the two advantages or beneficiary part of representing the or using parse tree. But we have to consider some rules while designing this parse tree, and that are, first of all, you have to compulsorily start, or the root of the tree is represented by start symbol, means your root will be always start symbol. It is a first root. Second, each interior mode is represented by a variable belonging to B, means the modes are representing the variables. Third is, each leaf mode is represented by a terminal or epsilon. Leaf should be only a terminal or epsilon. So keep in mind these three things while designing the parse tree. That are, first is root is always the start symbol. Second, the interior modes can be represented by a variables belonging to that set of bits. Then leaf node is always a terminal or a epsilon symbol. Now I will take one example and try to show you how to write or how to create a parse tree for deriving any string from a grammar. For example, there is a one grammar that is S gives AB A1B. As we had covered the previous parts of the context-free grammar, we all know that every grammar have one start symbol, some production rules, some set of terminals. So these are some production rules and S is the start symbol. Then A gives 0A or epsilon. B gives 0B, 1B or epsilon. So what is the question for us? Give parse tree for leftmost and rightmost derivation of the string 1001. There are two derivations, leftmost and rightmost, to derive which string 1001 from this grammar. So first of all, we will derive this for the leftmost derivation. So first of all, we will solve leftmost derivation. Now, what is the leftmost derivation? In the rules of the parse tree generation, we have seen that we have to start from this starting symbol as a root. So S will be the root. So what is the next part of that tree? First production is the A1B. These are the leaves, but these are having the another leaves. Now, leftmost derivation means try to replace the terms by the productions from this side to this side, means this is a leftmost derivation, means left to right, and rightmost derivation is nothing but from right to left. So we will solve it first of all for leftmost derivation. So it is a S A1B. Now it is a compulsorily while deriving the leftmost derivation to replace A first. Here we are requiring 1001. So A having the production 0A epsilon. But if you replace 0A, then your string will be starting with 0. So this is a no use. So we will simply replace A by epsilon. Okay, coming to the next. We have derived here the 1 automatically. So we have to only obtain the 001. Now coming to the B, because this part is over, this is also ready-made part and we have to replace this. B is having the 0B, 1B epsilon production. Now to obtain the 0, we will replace B by 0. But again, for obtaining another 0, we will replace B by another 0. But how to obtain it? I will write like B will be replaced with, first of all, 0 B. Then this B is again replaced with 0 B. And by seeing it carefully, we will get idea that we have obtained 100, but only one is remain, and B is having the production 1B. So we will replace it with 1B, and at the last B is replaced with epsilon. So this is the leftmost derivation, means coming from left to right, we will get this string that is 1001 epsilon having no any use. Now we will shift to the next part, that is we will derive same string by the rightmost derivation. By the parse tree generation mechanisms, we are getting idea like S means start symbol will be the root of the tree, then A1B is the grammar. Rightmost means you have to replace from backward to forward, means this side to this side. So how we will accomplish this task? As we are getting here, then here one is there. Rightmost means you have to start acquiring this string from back to forward. So first of all we have to obtain the 1. Okay. But we all know that to accomplish this from back to forward going, first of all we are deriving from this side to this side. Okay. So this is the easiest way to replace B with again 0B, because as we have acquired the 1 previously. Then B again replaced with 0B. This B again replaced with 1B and this B with epsilon. Now after this derivation we will get idea like 1001, and for leftmost we are taking it 1001. What about the A? Now coming from this side to this side, 1 is already there. For A we will replace it by epsilon. So this is the rightmost derivation for the string 1001. We will take another example or another grammar to generate the parse tree again. For example, we are having the grammar like 0s101, and we have to derive the string like 000111 from this grammar. For the grammar to be generation, you can use any one derivation, means leftmost, rightmost, or rightmost. Now I will try to derive this string by two ways, by parse tree method and by sentential form. First of all, I will try to derive it by sentential form. Starting with the start symbol, that is a 0s1. You have to acquire 3 times 0, 3 times 1. But already 1 times has reached. Now you have to acquire again 2 times. If we directly replace this s with 0, 1, then there will be only 2, 2. So this it is another one mechanism, that is replace this again with this same, means 0s 1, 1. Now we have acquired here two zeros. So only this much set is remain. So if we will replace this with directly 0, 1, then we will get a required string, that is a 3 times 0 and 3 times 1. So this is the sentential form. Now for the past generation we will take it like 0 s 1. Now we have to replace it again by 1 times 0 s 1, and now we will replace s by 0 once, means 0 0 0 1 1 1. This is the pass tree form for yielding the string 0 0 0 1 1 1. So this is all about how to solve any grammar, means how to yield a string by the pass tree mechanism and the sentential form. Thank you so much.